Gabby's
Why
bringing
don't
it
you
in.
like
Pass it off to Sari. Sari passes inside to Gabby. Shoots. Oh, that's not going. Sari gets it. Passes it back out. Take the shot!
Shoot.
Oh, passes inside to Gabby. Passes back to Sam. Shoots and scores. Take the shot! See, if you put a thumbs up with it, then it's okay. The white team takes a shot. Goes to Sam. Sam gives it to Gabby. Gabby passes out to Sari, gives it back to Gabby, gives it inside to Sam, shoots, scores. Good job, good job. Cindy, I'll take the shot again, but didn't really feel like it was appropriate that time. White team passes it off. Go get it, Sari, get it, go get it. Good job. Okay, that'll be a blue ball. Gabby's bringing it down the court. She passes deep to Nikki. And that's the halftime. The score is 32-0. Seacoast.